Hello to all my friends out there. And so this is some cooked fruit. And so, you know, I never got around to eating my peach. I think I figured out the peaches were 14 cents. And so I measured 1 teaspoon of reconstituted lemon. And I want to pour this in now. Okay, so this has to do with tomorrow morning breakfast. Okay, so tomorrow morning for my breakfast, I'm going to have some oatmeal, and on top of my oatmeal, I'm going to have some cooked fruit, maybe some nuts, maybe some raisins for a cheap breakfast. Okay, so what I did was I just did 1 peach because it's just going to be for a batch of oatmeal, and I covered these peaches with water, and I measured in about a half a tablespoon of water. It's just 1 peach. And then I cooked this is cooked fruit. You know, younger people might not know this. So what I did was, see how soft my peaches are now? Okay, so I cooked them down, and then when they were soft, I put, and so now I want to put them in here, in this little container. Okay, so there is my cooked fruit, all ready to go on my oatmeal tomorrow morning. Okay, this is going to taste much better than just plain old oatmeal. Okay, and then what I did is I made a few preparations. Okay, for milk, if you use evaporated milk, this one's 12 ounces, and I added 1 can evaporated milk and 1 can water. And what I do is I refill my water for 32 cents. And here I bought these peaches at Dollar Tree for $1. And so, okay, so I hope I made this clear. I cut my peach in chunks, covered with water, added half a teaspoon, cooked until the peaches were soft, turned the heat off, added 1 teaspoon lemon juice, and now I will cover them. And then tomorrow morning for breakfast, I'm having some oatmeal. So, okay, you guys, God bless you all.